Brilliant. No. Hang on, listen to it. I think his word blow. Winnie the Pooh sneeze, the biggest sneeze, and the Gabber Bee sneeze, in 100 equal words.